皆さんこんにちは。Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn the difference between あげる、くれる and もらう。In this lesson, we will focus on how they are used with the te form of verbs. A lot of Japanese learners get confused by these three. Who is giving, who is receiving, and who gets the benefit? Don't worry, I will break it down step by step. So grab your notebook and let's get started. First, let's learn the basic meanings of these words. あげるmeans to give to someone. So you are the giver. くれるalso means to give, but the direction is opposite. Someone else give to you. In this case, you are the receiver. もらう means to receive. So you are receiving from someone else. Now let's talk about how to use あげる、くれる、もらう with the verb in a te form. The te form is the verb form that end in te or de, like 話して、食べて、飲んで。When you add あげる、くれる、もらう after the te form, it shows who is giving, who is receiving, and who gets the benefit. First, あげる When we use a verb in a te form plus あげる it means I do something for someone else's benefit. Think of it like I'm kindly doing this for you. But here's the nuance. blah blah であげる can sometimes sound like you should be grateful for my help. So the giver, you, is putting themselves a little above the receiver. So you need to be a little cautious when using this expression. Here are some examples. 友達の宿題を手伝ってあげた。友達の宿題を手伝ってあげた。お母さんに誕生日ケーキを作ってあげるんだ。お母さんに誕生日ケーキを作ってあげるんだ。今度ユニバに連れてってあげるよ。今度ユニバに連れてってあげるよ。たこ焼きの作り方教えてあげようか？たこ焼きの作り方教えてあげようか？ Next, when we use a verb in a te form plus くれる, it means someone does something for me. The key point is I'm the one receiving the benefit from someone else. It used to show appreciation or gratitude toward the person who did the action. Let's look at some examples. 友達が宿題を手伝ってくれた。友達が宿題を手伝ってくれた。今忙しいから後で電話してくれる？今忙しいから後で電話してくれる？先輩がランチおごってくれた。先輩がランチおごってくれた。部屋片付けておいてくれない？部屋片付けておいてくれない？ The verb くれない is technically negative form, not give.But in conversation, if you say it with a rising tone, it doesn't mean not give. Instead, it's turned into a soft request like can you or would you. Lastly, let's look at もらう. When we use a verb in a te form plus もらう, it means I received the action from someone else. In other words, I got someone to do something for me. The meaning is very close to くれる. But here, the nuance is a little different. With もらう, it often feels like more you ask for a favor or you arrange to receive help from someone else. Let's look at some examples. 友達に宿題を手伝ってもらった。友達に宿題を手伝ってもらった。ここで写真撮ってもらえませんか？ここで写真撮ってもらえませんか？彼氏に家まで送ってもらった。彼氏に家まで送ってもらった。親から車を貸してもらおうと思ってる。親から車を貸してもらおうと思ってる。That's it for today's lesson. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the next video. I love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see in my future videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. ではまた。